You ever out on your tractor and you always need a tool, hammer, a pair of pliers, something like that, and you have nowhere to store them? Because it seems like you always need a hammer when you put a different implement on. We're going to fix that today. We're going to take a metal 50 caliber ammo can and make it into a toolbox. First off, we need to drill some pilot holes. Now this, I think I'm going to turn it upside down. Do my pilot holes from here. Okay, let's drill out our holes to the bolt size. I'm going to use 5/16 bolts. That ought to be more than strong enough. See if our holes line up. Put it on the right way. And I think it's going to work. Might have to do a little of adjustment, but I think it's going to work. I think we're going to wipe it down and try to get it a reasonable color of orange. Let me get it painted, I'll be back. Okay, let's finish this painting up. Hi guys, we're back. It's been a couple days. It took a while for the paint to cure on the box. We had a lot of high humidity. So now that it's dry, let's get it on. Now I'm going to put some O-rings on it to help seal the moisture out. I don't know if it'll work. But you know what? It's worth a try. Nothing else. We made the effort. Let's get our holes lined up. Put a little bit of Loctite on it because with the tractor rattling and shaking the way it does, these will, even with the lock washers, they will vibrate loose. So a little added security. Leave them a little loose till we get them all in. So I'm sure there will have to be adjustments made. I've been wanting to do this for over a year. Just never took the time to do it. Two in, two to go. Yep, forgot the Loctite on that one. That'd have been the one that fell out. Okay, now that we got it securely put on, I'm gonna put a piece of little matting down. Maybe it will help with the rattling, which is what we're trying to accomplish. Put our lid on. There we go. Got that on. Let's go get our tools. Probably the most important tools are pins and the hammer. A couple more pins, pliers, crescent wrench. Should be about everything you need to carry in a little toolbox. Close it up. It's got a watertight seal on it. And there you have it, guys. Nothing fancy. Nothing hard to do. Something anybody could do. If you like these simple projects, like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate those of you that already have subscribed and support the channel. We'll see you on the next one.